No, this is going to be my current update for the D90 for the Road to UST build. So I have been hard at work on this cage for the roof rack and around the windshield. And this is the first one of these I've ever decided to build from scratch, so it's been quite the interesting event. But it's been coming out pretty good. I've got lots of grinding, sanding, and plenty of welding still left to do because I have to put in all the sidebars going down still for the front and the back, and then this plate's where the lights will mount. But there's still quite a bit to do. But that's about what I've got done at the moment. I'm going to work more on that cage, and then I've also got a bunch of scale accessories and interior parts inside that I'm getting ready to start putting in there, including the dash. I've been working on it too. But alright guys, this is my update. I will leave a link to Sean's RC Adventures if you want to check the rest of the people out in this build. So have a great one, everybody.